an atmosphere today, Jeff, and what an opportunity for the home team.
Well, the Jaguars looking to keep their playoff hopes alive, and the Cowboys are looking to clinch a playoff spot. And there's a lot of people who are going to be watching this game both here in the stadium and across the country. Tony, this is a great atmosphere.
Big games, big opportunity for players to make a statement, and you're playing this Cowboys America's team. Go out there and make a statement. If you're Trevor Lawrence, this is the opportunity. Big games, big players make plays.
So here come the Jags from their own 9-yard line. They go right to left to start this thing. Draw play, and the ball is on the ground. Etienne fumbled it, and the Dallas Cowboys have it. They fumble the exchange from Trevor Lawrence, and Dallas has recovered the fumble at the 41-yard line of Jacksonville. They run it again with Elliott inside the 5-yard line, lunges toward the goal line. They're going to call it a touchdown. 10th play of the drive here on 2nd down and 9 for the Cowboys from the 20-yard line. Elliott remains the running back. Prescott, he looks, fires right side, and that ball is going to be caught for the touchdown in the right corner of the end zone. He beat Josh Allen for the touchdown. Jags on the move here, first down to the 27-yard line of Dallas. Now Jones motions back to the right, shotgun. Trevor drops, looks, fires, the ball's gonna be caught, into the end zone, touchdown! Zay Jones, a 5-yard touchdown catch from Trevor Lawrence.
Yes, sir. Let's go. Penalty clear. Great drive, man. Great drive. Great drive. You just say that change of pace, right? You just got to keep mixing it up. Ball goes anywhere, right? We can go.
2 minutes to play in the half. They lead 14-7. Elliott, the running back. Play fake. Rolling to the right as Prescott fires it into the end zone. Caught for the touchdown. That is Noah Brown. We have played 30 minutes. That Cowboy running game has been the difference in the ball game. 21-7, Dallas leads it after this timeout. And the Cowboys have 10 points now off those 2 Jaguar turnovers. So it's a 1-possession game if not for those 10 points. So the Jags need to do something offensively right here. First down from their own 41 for the Jaguars. Under center is Trevor Lawrence. Play fake, dropping, rolling right, looking downfield, fires, got a man down there. Zay Jones is down there. Waits to get to the 20, inside the 15, to the 10, to the 5. Touchdown, Jacksonville! Trevor Lawrence to Zay Jones. And Jacksonville strikes when they needed it oh so badly. Stand up, go!
All right, now we're back.
Great job by Zay Jones, showing great speed on the double move. Kelvin Joseph bites completely, and it leaves Zay Jones all alone. Trevor Lawrence makes a great throw on the run. On the money. That's exactly what you needed, a quick score to get back into this ball game.
Let me tell y'all this. Only way we're gonna win this is together. Play for one another, rush for one another. It ain't about no tiptoeing for one guy to come free. It's about the whole 11, the whole 53 on the team. Cause we win as the Jaguars and we lose as the Jaguars. And the only way we're gonna come back is as the Jaguars. You got me. Ain't no Supermans on this team. It's all up together, right? Let's go.
Guys, you talk about an energy changer. You talk about the energy picking up on the sideline. The defense is ready to go. But the coaches have challenged him. You got to step up. You got to man up. We can't give up any more points.
Right about now, Bucky, is when this defense needs to make a play because they've got the crowd involved a little bit. He's going to have to scramble out of there. Jags are going to hit him if he let it go. That ball is intercepted. It's picked off in the secondary. Rayshawn Jenkins is going to run it back. He got it back to the 20-yard line for the Jaguars.
Schultz in front of him, and he just airmails it right into the hands of Rayshawn Jenkins. This Jacksonville defensive line, they're making their presence felt. Big stand again. We mentioned this Jacksonville defense. They're coming through time and time again.
Here come the Jags from the 39-yard line of Dallas. Got to make this one hurt. They run a reverse. This is Jamal Agnew. Can he get the edge? Yes, he can. 35, 30, 25, 20. Along the right sideline. Knocked out of bounds inside the 10-yard line. First and goal, Jacksonville. Fires right side of the end zone. That ball is caught for the touchdown. Marvin Jones Jr.
Let's go. What a throw. Trevor Lawrence is getting hit while he's making this throw and to still find some pinpoint accuracy. I have no idea how he did that. What a great job by the offense of responding to the defensive takeaway. That's what it takes in a big game. And the defense getting the takeaway, giving the Jaguars offense the ball in great field position, and then take it in the end zone. That's what you want.
Trevor looks, fires, wants Christian Kirk. Christian makes the catch. He extended along the left sideline. He's going to be knocked out of bounds near the 27-yard line of the Cowboys. What a pitch and catch. Trevor to Christian Kirk. And Trevor drops, looks, pump fake, fires in the back of the end zone. The ball's caught! 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 Touchdown, Zay Jones! The Jags have taken the lead. How good is that?
Throw ball him. And Kirk. And me. Welcome to the 4 touchdown club. One more. You need one more.
Second down and 10 from the 37. Connor, the running back, bunch to the right, one receiver to the left. Dropping as long as there's a blitz here. Fires middle of the field. That ball's going to be picked off. First interception in a while for Trevor Lawrence. 5 games or so. Deron Bland, you heard Jeff talk about him a moment ago. He was covering Christian Kirk, and he picked it off and ran it back to the 42-yard line of the Jaguars.
Well, that's the first interception in 215 passing attempts for Trevor Lawrence, and this one's a costly one.
They drop quickly. Looking, Prescott looks, scrambles out of there, still looking, now fires toward the goal line, and that ball is going to be caught for the touchdown.
Oh man, the Jaguars had him. Arden Key had a real good pass rush and just misses Dak Prescott. Dak Prescott escapes out of the pocket to the left and stresses the Jaguars' coverage. Too much time for Dak Prescott.
So here's the situation, 1:55 to play in the ball game. The Cowboys lead the Jaguars 34-31. Jacksonville has third and about 4. Really, Tony, 2 plays to make 4 yards here.
Oh yeah, it's 4 down territory. Now you have all 3 timeouts as well. You want to hold on to those because if you do get stalled out, you can then stop it 3 times and give yourself one more chance.
Dropping the throw. Trevor scrambles out of there somehow. He's going to run it. 45, 40. The ball came out. Who got on top of it? And the Cowboys have recovered.
3 now. Come on.
Here we go. 3rd down and 10. Looking, fires deep downfield. Incomplete. The Jags are going to get it and have a timeout with which to work.
Come on, 1-6. Let's go.
You've got a timeout left. You can catch a pass in the middle of the field, call timeout, and attempt a field goal. Looks, fires middle of the field. The ball's going to be caught by Zay Jones. Zay Jones is going to be tackled at the 30-yard line. 48-yarder from the left hash. The kick is up, and the kick is good! Raleigh Patterson has tied the game!
Welcome
and gentlemen, to the overtime period.
Cowboys are 9 out of 15 on third down. This is a 3rd and 3 from their 47. Trips to the right. Elliott now the running back in place of Pollard. Shotgun for Prescott. He drops the throw. Looking, fires middle of the field. That ball is
Picked off! It is picked off by Rayshawn Jenkins! He's running it back along the right sideline! That is going to be a touchdown! That is going to be a touchdown! The Jags are going to win it on a Rayshawn Jenkins pick six! Are you kidding me?
I couldn't be happier for a guy, more so than Rayshawn Jenkins, a guy that plays hard, a guy that's about team, and a guy that brings energy with everything that he does. You know, but I can tell you what, it was an unlikely ending. This Jaguars defense had been struggling all game long and kind of expecting that they were going to win it, that it was going to take the arm of Trevor Lawrence and have the defense rise up and make a play like that.
The Jags have won this thing 40-34. How good is that?
It's going in the right direction, that's for sure. Playing big-time football in December, you got a franchise quarterback. So when you have the right head coach and you have the right quarterback, you're going to win some football games.
Was over, right? But we talked last night about this being a 15-round heavyweight going toe-to-toe fight. We talked about playing for 4 quarters. We talked about being physical. We talked about all 3 phases making an impact, and all 3 phases made an impact today. Offense, defense, and special teams. No bigger though. Walk Hey, proud of every single one of you. Great job, man. Great job. Let's bring it up.
Just like he said, bro, quick turn around. Hey, let's go. We got another big one Thursday, brothers. Hey, family on 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. That boy's good. That boy's good.
That now the Jaguars' playoff lives are still alive because you know what? The pressure is on in the AFC South right now.